Hey guys, this is the RYOBI R18MI inflator. So I think this is great for when you are changing your tires and you need to re-inflate them, like changing from summer tires to winter tires. That's what I bought this for. It's a rather inexpensive 18-volt RYOBI tool, so it's great if you have other RYOBI tools already. It didn't come with the battery, but I have some batteries. So for example, this 2 amp battery fits great in here. Of course it would fit also at least a 4 amp battery, maybe even the 5 amp battery. I might level up with the bottom of the device. It's very compact. It comes with this one, I think, is for the car tires, and then you have some different ones for maybe, I think, bike tires and for inflating balls. And it also has the other side for inflating maybe a mattress or something like that. And the user interface is quite simple. You turn it on, you set the pressure and press on start, and then it inflates it to the desired pressure. It's not super fast, but if you consider the options of taking your car to a petrol station and getting air there, or digging up your higher power compressor and then pulling out the hose, this is really easy because it's very compact and you can just plug in the battery and hook it up to your car tires. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.